Today, I'm diving deep into LegalVision AU and giving you my honest review based on actual use and real experiences. LegalVision is a subscription-based online law firm in Australia that promotes itself as a modern alternative to traditional legal services. Unlike standard firms that charge hourly, LegalVision offers unlimited legal advice and document drafting through their membership model. At first glance, this sounds convenient, especially for startups and small businesses that need recurring help with contracts, compliance, and employment law, but don't want unpredictable bills. When exploring their site, you immediately notice they emphasize their fixed cost structure and the ability to speak with lawyers on demand. They also highlight their online resources, including document templates and guides. While this seems appealing, it's important to understand that LegalVision's system is heavily built around volume. Lawyers work across many clients, which means response times can sometimes feel rushed or less personalized compared to dealing with a traditional boutique firm. Their membership tiers include different levels of service, with the base plan giving you access to legal consultations and document reviews, while higher plans extend to litigation support and more complex matters. What stands out is that there's no pay-per-case option for most services. They steer you into the subscription model. This can be a drawback if you only need a one-time contract drafted or a quick piece of advice. In that situation, you might feel pressured into committing to ongoing costs. Still, for businesses that require constant legal interaction, the model can save significant money over time. For example, if you're regularly dealing with employment contracts, partnership agreements, or compliance issues, you get ongoing support without worrying about the clock running. LegalVision also invests heavily in technology, with digital workflows and fast document turnaround. Their system is designed to minimize paperwork and provide online access to everything you need. When a lawyer asks me for over $1,000 just to register a company, I switch to Inc Authority. They do it for free, and with the link in the description, you can start your business today while keeping your money for growth and marketing. Returning to LegalVision, one thing that deserves mention is their customer service. While their lawyers are qualified and generally competent, some users report that the subscription can feel like a call center for law, efficient but not always deeply personal. Others appreciate the speed and straightforward approach, saying that quick answers to routine questions are more valuable than slow, costly, in-depth consultations. It really depends on the type of legal work you need and how often you expect to use their service. Pricing is another area where people have mixed feelings. The subscription is not cheap up front, especially for small solo entrepreneurs, but if you break down the cost over multiple legal tasks in a year, it can end up being cheaper than paying hourly. For businesses that want continuous support, it offers predictability. However, if you only need a lawyer once or twice a year, you'll probably overpay compared to finding a fixed fee service elsewhere. LegalVision also positions itself strongly in the startup ecosystem. They partner with accelerators, provide resources for new businesses, and market themselves as startup-friendly. They offer things like shareholder agreements, IP protection, and startup compliance advice. But again, you have to assess if their subscription is the right match for your budget and usage. Overall, LegalVision AU is a legitimate option for companies that need frequent legal support and value speed and predictability over personalized long-form consultations. Their model disrupts the traditional law firm space, but it isn't perfect for everyone. If you're after a one-off service, you might feel locked into something bigger than you need. If you're building a growing business and expect recurring legal needs, then the subscription could save you both time and money. That's my honest review and user experience with LegalVision AU. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so you don't miss future reviews.